Yeah, hello everyone. Day 128 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Another great one. Busy across the board, but we really made great progress. We've got a lot of welding done. So we're kind of mid-work here on this, but we've already got it flipped, and then we came up with this today. So we modified our track burner. So normally this has a plasma torch on the end, but we put one of our welding heads on it and then put the track down so that we can create a nice straight weld all the way across, and someone doesn't have to do that by hand. So we're thinking smart there, and not buying dedicated tools to do it, just making use of what we already have, being smart about that. We got that underwater frame ready to go out, and got it to the powder coater. I dropped that off today. It was nice meeting the powder coater, and getting an experience, what it's like driving our truck, and learning what works and doesn't there. But all in all, that went really well, and then was able to pick up some stuff from two other vendors, and meet them, or I guess one vendor, one customer, which that was a great experience. There's a modification that needs to be made on this platform. You might remember from a little bit ago. Essentially, when we originally brought up with the customer, like, hey, we think this might be too tall, but they thought it'd be all right. Turns out it is too tall, so we need to cut it right here, and then we're going to put some plates on, and then have it be a bolted connection. Working on that, yeah, and then there's more great work happening over here. I think just doing all final touches, making sure we're all spick and span on these, and things are looking good. And then just going through quality checks. Obviously want to make sure we don't have the same quality incident twice in a row. We want to make sure that we've always learned from what we've done before, and not make the same mistakes twice. Yeah, and then kind of moving forward with getting some more integration in with QuickBooks and learning stuff there. I know Michelle's really been working hard there and getting a lot done and making some great progress. That's really going to make things better for the future. So excited about that, and yeah, ready for more to come tomorrow. Sign off for now.